Is your Agfa Anapurna M4f printer refusing to fill with ink? A faulty refill print circuit board might be the culprit. Let's walk through a few simple steps to replace it and get you back to printing. The refill PCB controls the ink sensor. If the pump signals are interrupted due to the PCB malfunction, ink won't flow to the print head, meaning no prints. Here's how to fix it safely and quickly. First, power down and wait. Start by turning off your printer completely. Then wait 20 to 30 minutes for the power supply to fully discharge before replacing any parts. This is essential for your safety. Next, remove the cover. Once the wait is over, carefully remove the plastic cover and the screws to access the PCB connectors. Next, detach the connectors from the faulty PCB. Take your time, don't force anything. Next, you'll want to install the new PCB. Now, swap in your replacement PCB. Make sure it is the correct model for your Anapurna M4f to ensure compatibility. Then, reassemble and restart. With the new board in place, it is time to reassemble your printer. Reconnect all the connectors, screw the cover back on, and power up the printer. That's it! You're ready to print again. For more tutorials, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.